Welcome back to my crafts basic. I'm going to show you how to finger crochet or a single loop finger knit. It depends on how you want to call it, but the result's the same. So we're going to take your yarn, or this is t-shirt yarn, I'm going to loop it over. So you've got a little loop. I'm going to take these two fingers and I'm going to push it through and grab hold, not letting go, so I'm holding it tight with my left hand, pulling it through, and then make a tight knot. So this is the beginning of your finger crochet. Now again, holding in your left hand, or if it's the right hand, if it's the opposite way around, give it a good hold on to the knot. Take your two fingers, push through, and take the long piece. I'm going to give it a good tug. There we go. Sometimes you need to pull it at the bottom to help it go through. Again, loosen the knot a little bit, put your fingers through, pull through. Now remember, as you go, do tighten it, and also with this hand I'm always holding onto the knot to give it some tension, which is key, because if I keep just looping, what happens is I get a bit too far away and my loops get a bit like, can you see? Gets a bit, it's a bit messy in what's going on. So I'm going to just undo this. It's really important to always hold the latest knot with your left hand and put your right hand through and pull. Move it up, go through with your fingers and pull. Move up, go through with your fingers and pull. Now another common mistake when you're finger knitting or finger crocheting is, I'm going to hold it. As you pull through, there's two sides to the loop, the one nearest the knot and the loose side, which is the one attached. So sometimes when people pull, they pull the loose side, but then it's too long. That's okay. All you have to do is bring it back down, move your hand along, push your fingers through and start again. So tighten it, and if you accidentally pull this side, just adjust it as you go along. And there you have your first bit of finger crochet. That looks great, doesn't it? Now to finish it off, you would cut this and you would just push it through one last time and tighten it, and that's how you finish it off. But I don't really want to finish off yet because I still want to carry on finger knitting this or finger crocheting this yarn. So it's perfect for homemade t-shirt yarn. I can show you a link up above. It's perfect for things like these fabric yarns. Aren't these beautiful? This is from the Darn Good Yarn Company. They sent me some and I think they look amazing. So fabric yarn is great for finger knitting or for finger crocheting. They've also got these wonderful recycled yarns here. These would look amazing with any sort of finger knitting or finger crocheting. So anything that's thicker, textured, looks really, really good to create a nice chain. What do you use it for? Well, we like using it for things like a homemade purse. So this is a recycled purse, a trouser leg, and some t-shirt yarn from the PE shirts, and it makes a really nice halter. You can use it as a little bracelet. Look at that. You could use it as a little hairband. So there's lots of uses, and it's really simple and really fun to do. So I hope you found this craft basic useful. It's part of my series of crafts basics. Do check out the other videos too, where I've got things like running stitch and other things like that. And yeah, get crafty. So keep watching, keep making, and yeah, I'd like to see you again soon. Take care. Bye.